iQFly Mini Dash Cam 1080p car camera 120-degree wide-angle lens digital car dashboard camera driving video recorder WDR loop recording motion detection G-sensor high-definition image. The car dash camera 1080p has a adjustable video system 1920*1080p 1280*720p make a good performance in every detail of every corner. The dash cam recorder has 120 degrees wide angle, can capture the entire road ahead. More safety for driver. Camera car is built and G-sensor will lock the current video automatically if the HD dash cam feels a collision during driving. The locked video at the camera dash will not be over by the new recordings. Seamless recording. The car recorder doesn't have leakage between video clips and loop recording default. It allows non-stop seamless recording. Micro SD memory card can be up to 32 GB. SD card not included. Flexible and convenient use. The mini-size vehicle dash cam is very compact and takes minimal space in your cars. The mounted bracket holds the dash cam HD securely and steady on bumpy roads, and easy to adjust. Easy to install. Mount this mini dashboard cam to windshield. Connect to the power cable. The car cameras will record automatically while driving. Please continue to connect external power when using the truck dash cam. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below now.